Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers peak and knowledge grows.
Here's the question. The diameter of a scooter's wheel is 44 centimeter. Diameter of the scooter wheel is equal to 44 centimeter. How far will the scooter will have traveled after 450 revolutions of the wheel? Give the answer in meter. Solution. Diameter of a scooter wheel equal to D equal to 44 centimeter. Circumference of the wheel C equal to pi d. Circumference equal to pi d. Putting the value 22 upon 7 into 44 centimeter. 44 into 22, this is equal to 968. 968 divided by 7, this is equal to 113.28. 113.28 into 450, this is equal to 62,226 centimeter. Now to change the centimeter into meter, this value divided by 100, this is equal to 622.26 meter. This is the answer of this question. Look at the question. The wheel of a bus has a radius of 50 centimeter. Radius of the wheel is equal to 50 centimeter. How many revolutions of the wheel will it take to cover a distance of 3 kilometer? Solution. Radius of the wheel is already given 50 centimeter. Circumference of the wheel, we have a formula C equal to 2 pi r. Putting the value 22 upon 7 into 50. 22 into 2 equal to 44. 44 into 50, this is equal to 2200. 2200 upon 7, this is equal to 314.28. 314.28 centimeter. This is the circumference of the circle of the wheel. Now the distance d equal to 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer equal to 3000 meter. 3000 meter multiply into 100, this is equal to this figure into centimeter. Now the number of revolution, this figure divided by this figure, this is equal to 954.5 revolution or 954 revolution. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. The distance around a circle-shaped ground is 4,458.75 meters. What is the radius of the ground? Circumference is already given and radius is unknown. The distance around a circle ground is its circumference. We have a formula C equal to 2 pi r or r equal to C upon 2 pi. Now putting the value in this formula, C value 4,458.75 meter upon 2 into 22 upon 7. 4,458.75 into 7, this is equal to 31,211.2 pi. 2 into 22 equal to 44. 31,211.25 divided by 44, this is equal to 709.34. It means that the radius of this circle is 709.34 meter. This is the answer of the question. The question. The diameter of a wheel is 52 centimeter. Diameter of the wheel is already given 52 centimeter. If a wire is rolled over the wheel 62 times, find the length of the wire. We have diameter of the wheel equal to D, 52 centimeter already given, and radius is equal to R equal to D upon 2. Putting the value of d 52 centimeter upon 2, this is equal to 26 centimeter. It means radius of the circle is equal to 26 centimeter. Now we have a formula. Circumference of this circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now putting the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 26 centimeter. 22 into 2, this is equal to 44. 44 into 26, this is equal to 11,400. The question, the diameter of a wheel is 52 centimeter. Diameter already given. If a wire is rolled over the wheel 62 times, find the length of the wire. Diameter of the wheel d equal to 52 centimeter already given. Radius r equal to d upon 2 equal to 52 upon 2, this is equal to 26 centimeter. It means radius equal to 26 centimeter. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r. Putting the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 26 centimeter. 2 into 22, this is equal to 44. 44 into 26, this is equal to 1144, and upon 7, this is 1144 upon 7, this is equal to 163.42. It means circumference is equal to 163.42 centimeter. This is circumference of the wheel. 163.42 centimeter. Now it means that one round of the wire is equal to 163.42 centimeter. And if 62 times the wire is rolled, it means that multiply this amount to 62, this is equal to 10,123.57 centimeter. This is the length of the wire. This is the length of the wire, and this is the answer of the question. Look at the question. The diameter of the wheel is 54 centimeter. Diameter of the wheel is 54 centimeter. How far will the car will have traveled after 423 revolutions of the wheel? Solution. Diameter is already given 54 centimeter. The radius of the wheel r equal to d upon 2 equal to 52 upon 2 centimeter. This is equal to 27 centimeter. It means that the radius of the wheel is 27 centimeter. Now we have a formula. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r. Now putting the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 27 centimeter. 22 into 2, this is equal to 44. 44 into 27, this is equal to 1,188. 1,188 upon 7, this is equal to 169.71. 169.71 centimeter. It means that this is the circumference of the wheel. Circumference is equal to 169.71 centimeter. It means that the circumference of the wheel is 169.71 centimeter. Now, this is the one revolution of the wheel. It means one revolution of the wheel is equal to this amount. Now, 423 revolutions of the wheel is equal to 169.71 centimeter into 423. 423, this is equal to 17,789.14 centimeter. Now divide this amount by 100. This is equal to car will cover a distance of 717.89 meter. Look at the question. The diameter of a circular ground is 31 meter. Diameter of the circular ground is equal to 31 meter. Calculate the cost of planting grass at the rate of 345 per square meter. Solution. Diameter of the circular ground is already given, 31 centimeter. Radius of the ground r equal to d upon 2, 31 upon 2 centimeter, this is equal to 15.5 centimeter. It means radius of the circular ground is 15.5 centimeter. Now area of the circular ground is equal to pi r square. Now putting the value of I and r, 3.14 into 15.5 centimeter whole square. 15.5 into 15.5, this is equal to 240.25. 240.25 meter square into 3.14. This is equal to 754.38. 754.38 into cost 345 per meter square. This is equal to 2,60,262.82 or A2. This is the cost of planting grass in this circular region, and this is the answer of the question. Look at the question. The diameter of a circular ground is 5.7 meter. Diameter of this circular ground is 5.7 meter. Already given. Find the cost of planting the ground at the rate of rupees 342 per meter square. Solution of the question. Diameter of a circular ground equal to d equal to 5.7 meter. Radius of the circle r equal to d upon 2. D upon 2 means 5.7 meter upon 2. This is equal to 2.85. 2.85 into 2.85, this is equal to 8.1225. And value of I equal to 3.14. Multiply 3.14 into 8.1225. This is equal to 25.501 meter square. A equal to 25.501 meter square. Now, cost of planting the rate equal to 342 per meter square. Multiply 342 per meter square into 25.501 meter square. Meter square cancel. This is equal to 8,722.5903. This is the cost of planting this circular region.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Myth Nexus.